guys, and welcome. It's good to see you. So if you're new to my channel, thanks for stopping by. Please subscribe. If you've already subscribed, thanks for coming back. It's good to see you again. Today I'm going to be talking to you about an alternative to shop bought shaving foams or shaving creams, and I'm going to teach you how to make your own shaving cream at home using natural ingredients. If you also don't like waxing or you don't like sugaring, this is a good alternative for you because it wouldn't dry your skin and it doesn't contain all the harsh chemicals in the shop bought ones. So all you need is your shea butter. So you need your shea butter, raw shea butter. You need some cold pressed organic coconut oil, and you need your extra virgin olive oil. So, and then you need some essential oil as well. You need some peppermint essential oil and some lavender essential oil. If you are allergic to any of these ingredients, you can just leave them out. If you don't like to use shea butter, you can substitute with cocoa butter. So what I normally do to melt my my shea butter and my coconut oil is to put them in a jar and then put the jar in a bowl of hot water. So I've already melted this shea butter. So I'm going to be using about 60 ml of shea butter and coconut oil. So 60 ml of shea butter and coconut oil. So this is 60 ml of shea butter. And then you need 60 ml of coconut oil. This is coconut oil I've already melted. So that's 60 ml of my coconut oil. And then you need about 40 ml of your extra virgin olive oil. So that's it. And then you need about 5 drops of your lavender essential oil. One, two, three, 4, 5. And then you need about 8 to 10 drops of your peppermint essential oil. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm using 8 drops. So, and all you need to do is to just mix everything together with a spatula, a wooden spatula. And once mixed thoroughly, you just need to put this in the fridge for about 2 hours for it to solidify. And once you bring it out of the fridge after the 2 hours, once it has solidified properly, you need to leave it in a room temperature for about 10 minutes, and then we need to whisk it. So I'm going to put this in the fridge, and then once it's solidified and I've left it for about 10 minutes, I'll come back to show you what next to do. The point really is that all these natural ingredients are very good. You get the benefits of shea butter, coconut oil, the essential oil, the olive oil, the anti-inflammatory properties, the antimicrobial properties, the antibacterial properties. You get the exfoliating properties, and it doesn't dry your skin, like I said. So you are not really worried about the harsh chemicals in all the shop bought shaving creams and the shaving foam. So I'll put this in the fridge, and then I'll see you in the next few hours. Okay guys, welcome back. So this is the mixture. It's been in the fridge for about 2 hours, and then I've left it out in room temperature for about 10 minutes. So the next thing now is to just whisk. So I'm going to whisk it gently for about 2 to 4 minutes or until it's soft and very fluffy. So I've whisked this for about 4 minutes now. this is the end product. This is not foamy, so if you want it to be foamy, what you can do is to just add some liquid cast-iron soap. So this is liquid cast-iron soap. It's all natural as well, but I'm not going to add any liquid cast-iron soap to this one because I'm okay without it being foamy. And then one more thing is that you need to keep it in an airtight container. This can keep for 1 to 2 months as long as it's moisture free. So I advise using an airtight container, and then when you want to use it, don't dip your hand in. Use a spatula or something else to take out the portion, the quantity you need at a time. And I'm just gonna, what you need to do when you're using this is you need to wet your I've got some hair on my leg. I don't know if you can see. Okay, so what you do is you need to wet the area you want to shave. So I'm just gonna spray some water on my leg, and then you just apply, not a lot, a tiny bit. Okay, so apply a bit to your skin. And then you need a sharp razor. So I've got a razor here, and then you have to shave in the opposite direction of your hair growth. So my hair is growing downwards, so I'm going to shave upwards. Okay, so I don't know if you can see the hair that is coming off, and like I said, this will not leave your skin dry, and it doesn't contain harsh chemicals. You can use this anywhere, on any part of your body. You can use this on your legs, you can use it on your armpit, you can use it in your private area, you can use it anywhere on your body. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share, subscribe, leave your comments and your questions below. I'll leave the list of ingredients in the description box, so please check the description box for the list of the ingredients, and I shall see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.